Hello and welcome to my home, my kitchen, my sensory lab, my coffee lab. Today we're going to be making a non-alcoholic beverage. It's 85 degrees today, so it's like a perfect day to sit outside and have a cocktail. To me, being sober for many years now, I too like to have something tasty in a cup other than sparkling water and a lime. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a tea concentrate, and then we're going to build a cocktail out of it. So what I've got is some white tea from our store at Easton, really tasty tea, and I've got a press. What you want to do is make a concentrate out of this. So you're going to go really heavy on the tea, and the resulting beverage will be far too strong to drink straight, which is what you want because you're about to dilute it with some stuff. So every cocktail needs a base. This is going to be our base. So I use about 20 grams of tea to 400 milliliters of water, which is about 16 ounces of water. And I let that steep for about 4 minutes, 160 degrees, right around is the water temp. So once I do that, I have my concentrate. I keep my concentrate in my fridge for a long time, and I can make these mocktails anytime or these cocktails anytime that I'd like to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1.5 ounces of that tea concentrate. I'm going to put it into my mixing vessel, and then I've got some fresh squeezed orange juice. Any citrus juice would work. If it's orange juice, I have 1.5 ounces here. If it's lime juice, I'd go 1. Same with lemon. The stronger, more sour or bitter it is, the less that you need to cut through the liquid. So 1.5 ounces of that. I've got my favorite bitters, cranberry bitters. You can use orange bitters or grapefruit bitters. You're going to need a couple dashes of that. Okay, and then last but not least, something to sweeten it a little bit. You can use agave. You can use coconut sugar, whatever you're into. If you're using regular sugar, I'd start with like 1/2 teaspoon. I'm using monk fruit, so I'm only going to go a couple drops. You don't need much. So I'm going to stir that up. I'm going to take my favorite glass, this is my C-Bus glass, fill her up with ice. That'll help dilute this a little bit, which is necessary because this is super concentrated. I'm going to pop that in my glass, stir it a little bit, and then I'm going to top this with some sparkling water. Any kind of sparkling water will work. Grapefruit, lemon, lime. I have a raspberry lime. It's whatever you have available. It's going to taste good. So I'm going to top this. Also give it a little bit of a fizz, lightly stir it. And then you're going to top this beverage with a slice of citrus. So I've got a slice of this bitter orange here. I'm just going to put it on top, and then we shall enjoy. Awesome. Thanks for joining me. Tune in, and I'll be making more non-alcoholic cocktails. Thanks.